The Loft Penthouse isn't just a tent, it's a revolution in luxury outdoor living. Designed with a unique 2-story frame, it transforms any ordinary campsite into a private wilderness retreat. You can keep it simple as a single-level setup, or go all in and elevate your adventure, literally, by assembling it into a sleek double-decker haven. Upstairs, you'll find a cozy, elevated bedroom that keeps you above ground and fully immersed in the views. Downstairs, a modular docking room expands your living space, perfect for lounging, dining, or even entertaining around the campfire. The beauty lies in its flexibility. You can mix and match, dock additional tents, or go solo with a compact setup. Whether you're a solo traveler, couple, or part of a larger group, this tent adapts effortlessly. Built with high-quality materials and a sharp eye for design, the Loft Penthouse offers comfort, weather resistance, and unmatched style in the wild. Large windows, breathable fabric, and smart ventilation make every night restful, even in rugged terrain. It's more than camping, it's outdoor living, reimagined. For those who refuse to compromise between nature and comfort, this $3,300 tent delivers an unforgettable experience. Mudra Band, an innovation that feels like it's straight out of the future. Originally designed to let you control your Apple Watch with simple, touchless gestures, it has now evolved into a full-blown control hub for Apple's entire ecosystem. Imagine switching tracks on your iPhone, scrolling on your iPad, or toggling between Mac tabs, without ever laying a finger on the screen. Using neural signal detection and subtle finger movements, the Mudra Band transforms everyday hand gestures into real-time actions. It's like having invisible superpowers at your fingertips. Whether you're lounging on the couch flipping through Apple TV, adjusting your smart glasses on the go, or even navigating a mobile game, this band does it all. With seamless compatibility across Apple Watch models, the Mudra Band pairs cutting-edge tech with sleek design. No bulky add-ons, no extra remotes, just smooth, intuitive control. What's even more impressive is how it allows you to switch between connected devices effortlessly. Go from texting on your iPhone to browsing on your Mac without lifting more than a finger. Endorsed by a global community of Apple users, the Mudra Band is quickly becoming the must-have accessory for those who want to unlock the full potential of their devices. It's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new way of interacting with your digital world. 3D printed concrete houses are flipping the script on traditional construction. Using massive robotic arms and custom concrete blends, these machines build walls layer by layer. No bricks, no scaffolding, just pure automation. What once took months can now be done in a matter of days, cutting down both costs and time like never before. This tech isn't just fast, it's smart. The precision of 3D printing allows for creative, curved, or unconventional designs without adding extra cost. Builders can reduce labor needs by up to 70% and slash material waste by printing only what's needed. That means affordable, sustainable housing is no longer a distant dream but a very real possibility. Companies like Icon, API's Core, and SQ4D are already showcasing full-sized homes built entirely by machine. These homes are not only solid and weather-resistant, but they're also more energy efficient thanks to the seamless, airtight designs made possible by the printer's precision. In disaster-prone or low-income areas, this technology could be a game-changer, offering safe, sturdy shelter in record time. Of course, challenges remain, like updating building codes or refining the material mix, but progress is happening fast. And with each new project, the world sees a glimpse of what's next: stronger homes, faster builds, and lower costs all rolled into one incredible innovation. The future of housing isn't just coming, it's being printed. The Skid Silent Mask is a breakthrough communication tool designed for professionals and frequent travelers who need to make private calls in busy environments. With its advanced smart sound bubble technology, ambient noise up to 65 decibels is blocked out, ensuring your whispered words are transmitted clearly and securely, even in roaring airports or crowded train stations. Built-in active noise cancellation and a military-grade encryption system guarantee that your conversations stay private, defying eavesdroppers without the bulk of traditional headsets. Its sleek, ergonomic design fits comfortably over the lower face, blending the rapid mobility of a bullet train with the in-flight stability of an A320 airliner, so you can speak freely on long-haul journeys. Featuring a 10-hour battery life, the Skid 320 model lets you power through back-to-back meetings, heavy travel days, or marathon presentations without pausing to recharge, while intuitive touch controls let you adjust volume and encryption settings with a simple swipe. The mask pairs seamlessly via Bluetooth to your smartphone or laptop, transforming any public space into your own private office. Starting at $299 for early backers and estimated to retail at $799, the Skid Silent Mask is more than a gadget. It's a statement of professionalism and discretion. Whether you're closing deals on a train, updating your team at a bustling cafe, or catching up with clients at the gate, this innovative mask ensures your voice is heard clearly, privately, and without compromise. The Bea Turtle is a game-changing electric bike micro-caravan that lets you explore the world sustainably and in total comfort, transforming the humble e-bike into a full-blown travel rig without weighing you down. With a simple Weber coupling, its 29 kilograms aluminum frame attaches to your e-bike and unfolds into a cozy cabin, complete with an elevated awning, spacious sleeping area, and dedicated gear storage, so all your essentials stay tucked away and protected. Crafted from lightweight aluminum tubing and UV-resistant cotton canvas, the Bea Turtle's tent fabric seals out water and sun alike while remaining breathable and tough, ensuring you rest easy even after the roughest days on the trail. In camping mode, you get a roomy interior that sleeps two, plus standing headroom under the awning. On the road, it tucks neatly behind your bike, adding minimal drag while giving you freedom to chase sunrise vistas and winding backroads. At around €3,711 from the official Gentle Tent store or authorized dealers, the Bea Turtle isn't just a piece of gear, it's a passport to off-grid adventures, designed for riders who crave both remote solitude and the creature comforts of a well-appointed micro-home. Solar-powered planes are rewriting the future of aviation, replacing jet fuel with clean sunlight. Aircraft like the Solar Impulse and Airbus Zephyr are leading this silent revolution, using ultra-light materials and wings covered in high-efficiency solar cells to glide across the sky for days, without a single drop of fuel. These planes don't just fly, they float, quietly and gracefully, powered entirely by the sun. They're ideal for missions that demand endurance, like environmental monitoring, disaster relief, or even delivering internet to remote regions. By staying airborne for days or even weeks, they outperform traditional aircraft in specific long-term roles. With every advancement in solar panel efficiency and battery storage, we get one step closer to making these aircraft more practical and powerful. While current models still face limitations, like weather conditions and low energy density, engineers are closing the gap faster than ever. The vision isn't just about high-altitude drones. It's about building the foundation for future commercial flights that generate zero emissions. Imagine boarding a plane powered by the sun, cruising above the clouds with nothing but clean energy keeping you aloft. This isn't science fiction, it's happening. Bit by bit, solar aviation is gaining altitude, and it's taking sustainability to new heights. With no noise, no pollution, and no limits but the sky itself, solar-powered planes are shaping a brighter, cleaner future in the air. The Coleman Sundome tent is the kind of classic gear that every camper should own. Affordable, reliable, and incredibly easy to set up, it's a go-to choice for car camping trips and weekend getaways. With enough room for 2 to 4 people, it offers just the right balance of space and simplicity, making outdoor adventures feel comfortable from the moment you zip it open. Built with Coleman's signature WeatherTech system, the Sundome is ready to take on unexpected rain. It features inverted seams and a bathtub-style floor that keeps water out, even when the weather takes a turn. 2 large windows and a ground vent create a steady breeze inside, so you stay cool and fresh, even in the heat of summer. The tent is crafted from durable polyester, offering resistance to rough conditions and backed by a 1-year warranty. It stands up strong against wind and rain, but packs down light enough to throw in the trunk without fuss. The dome shape also adds extra stability, which is perfect if you're camping on open ground. While it's not built for long backpacking treks, the Coleman Sundome shines for casual campers and families who want a quick, no-nonsense shelter that performs well. Super Nexus is a groundbreaking concept rocket designed to revolutionize deep space travel. Instead of relying on chemical fuel, it harnesses nuclear thermal propulsion, heating liquid hydrogen with a compact nuclear reactor to produce extraordinary thrust. This makes it far more efficient, allowing for longer missions and heavier payloads than ever before. With its immense cargo capacity, Super Nexus is built for the big jobs, whether that's ferrying supplies to a lunar base, launching a Mars colony mission, or even exploring the icy moons of Jupiter and beyond. It cuts travel time to Mars nearly in half, which is not just faster, it's safer, more practical, and opens a floodgate of opportunities in manned spaceflight. This rocket isn't just powerful, it's smart. The energy density of nuclear propulsion means less refueling, fewer launches, and more sustainable long-term exploration. And when combined with advanced aerospace engineering, Super Nexus becomes the ultimate tool in building humanity's future beyond Earth. Engineers and researchers are pushing to make this dream a reality, with growing interest from both NASA and private space companies. While challenges like radiation shielding and reactor safety remain, progress is steady and full of promise. Super Nexus could become the workhorse of the next space age, a bold symbol of human innovation pushing beyond our limits. It's not just another rocket, it's the future of interplanetary travel, written in atom-splitting speed. The TwoHold is the ultimate space-saving furniture for modern living. It's a sleek, multifunctional table designed for both work and relaxation. Use it as a couch side table for snacks, drinks, or your remote. Or flip it into a sturdy laptop stand for comfortable browsing or work. Its smart, adjustable design fits seamlessly over most sofas. Built for stability, it provides a reliable surface wherever you need it. No more awkward balancing acts with laptops or coffee cups. Its compact frame makes it perfect for small apartments or cozy spaces. Whether you're binge watching or powering through emails, it adapts instantly. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to move and store when not in use. Priced at just $75, the TwoHold offers both function and affordability. It's a simple way to upgrade your space without breaking the bank. Stylish, practical, and built for everyday convenience. The A2Z South Korea's bold vision of a driverless future. Built by autonomous A2Z, this incredible mobility platform delivers full Level 4 autonomy, meaning no steering wheel, no pedals, just pure hands-free travel. After logging over 579,000 kilometers of real-world autonomous driving across 14 cities, the LV4 is no concept. It's already proving itself on the streets. Its modular design adapts seamlessly for both passenger shuttles and delivery vehicles, making it a game-changer for smart cities and last-mile logistics. Packed with redundant safety systems and high-performance sensors, it's built for maximum reliability in unpredictable urban environments. Right now, A2Z operates South Korea's largest autonomous bus fleet, with services running safely and efficiently every day. But they're not stopping there. Global partnerships are in the works, and full mass production is scheduled for 2027. That means this futuristic ride isn't just for test tracks, it's coming to your city sooner than you think. With zero emissions, zero drivers, and endless flexibility, the A2Z LV4 is more than a vehicle. It's a platform for a smarter, cleaner, and more connected tomorrow. This is the future of mobility, and it's already moving, one city, one route, one revolution at a time. Citroen Autonomous Mobility Vision. Citroen is rewriting the future of urban life with a concept that feels straight out of a sci-fi film, the Citroen Autonomous Mobility Vision. At the heart of this vision lies the Citroen Skate, a smart, fully electric, and autonomous mobility platform designed to glide silently through city streets. But this isn't just a vehicle. It's a moving foundation for endless possibilities, capable of hosting various pods that plug into it depending on the need. Whether it's a rideshare pod, a mobile cafe, or even a rolling wellness center, these compatible pods bring services directly to people. This game-changing platform aims to decongest cities, lower emissions, and free up urban space once swallowed by traffic and pollution. Developed as open-source technology, it invites companies to collaborate and create their own service pods, making it as flexible as it is futuristic. The Skate moves quietly, efficiently, and without drivers, powered by Citroen's cutting-edge electric systems and autonomous control. It's part of a larger movement led by the Urban Collective, a partnership aiming to reimagine urban mobility and bring well-being, accessibility, and smart design into our daily flow. Citroen's vision is about more than just transport. it's about reclaiming the city and reshaping how we experience it. Dream Chaser Tenacity, the spaceplane of a new era. This is Tenacity, the first Dream Chaser spacecraft, and it's rewriting the future of space cargo missions. Designed by Sierra Nevada Corporation, this sleek, winged spaceplane is ready to soar beyond Earth's atmosphere on a mission that's all about precision, payload, and persistence. Slated to launch in 2024, Tenacity will travel to the International Space Station under NASA's CRS-2 contract. It won't go alone. It's paired with a detachable module called Shooting Star, which boosts its total cargo capacity from 2,000 to a jaw-dropping 12,000 pounds. That's a game-changer for orbital logistics. The spacecraft is fully reusable and designed to land on commercial runways just like an airplane, making it efficient, safe, and fast. As of late 2023, Tenacity was undergoing vibration and acoustic testing, a final shake before its maiden voyage through space. The name, Tenacity, isn't just branding, it's a tribute. A reflection of years of engineering grit, sleepless nights, and unstoppable belief from the Sierra space team. They didn't just build a spacecraft, they built a symbol of determination. With its first flight planned for June 2024 and a mission duration of 82 days, Dream Chaser Tenacity will mark the beginning of a new chapter in spaceflight. One that's smarter, faster, and built for tomorrow. Festo Opter, an engineering masterpiece that takes flight straight from the pages of nature. Inspired by the dragonfly, this ultra-light robotic insect defies the limits of motion with precision, elegance, and pure science fiction vibes brought to life. Weighing only 175 grams, it's incredibly light, yet strong enough to mimic real dragonfly movements. It can fly forward, backward, sideways, hover in place, and even glide, all thanks to its 13 degrees of freedom that let each wing move independently. No other flying robot does this with such grace and complexity. It's powered by cutting-edge sensors, onboard processors, and a smart control system that reacts in real time. Piloting it is as easy as opening an app on your phone. With every tap, it feels like you're commanding a living creature rather than a machine. Festo didn't build this for mass production. It's a research marvel, a demonstration of what biomimicry can achieve when science meets imagination. It's used to explore flight mechanics, robotics, and the future of intelligent drones. Goodyear Eagle 360 Urban. Now this is what the future of driving really looks like. At the Geneva Motor Show, Goodyear rolled out something that feels straight out of a sci-fi film, the Eagle 360 Urban. It's not your typical tire. It's a spherical, AI-powered, magnetic levitation marvel that can move in any direction, even sideways. Imagine your car gliding smoothly into tight parking spots or rotating on the spot. That's the power of this tire concept. And trust me, the tech behind it is just as wild as it sounds. The outer layer is made from a bionic, sensor-loaded rubber, a skin that can feel the road. It constantly analyzes terrain, weather, and wear, then adapts its tread in real time using tiny actuators under the surface. If the road's wet, it forms dimples for grip. Dry and smooth, it flattens out for a faster, more efficient roll. Thanks to AI, it doesn't just react, it learns, evolves, and makes driving safer and smarter. It even communicates with other tires, the vehicle, and the environment, all while levitating magnetically, reducing friction and noise. This tire isn't just about driving, it's about rethinking movement entirely. The Eagle 360 Urban blends intelligence, design, and sustainability into a rolling piece of the future. We're looking at a world where tires don't just roll, they think. AI car designs are completely reshaping the way we imagine the future of mobility. With the power of generative design and AI modeling, vehicles are now being sculpted by algorithms, not just human hands. The result? Stunning, aerodynamic shapes that blend beauty with performance, all while reducing drag and boosting efficiency. Inside, cabins are reimagined with autonomous driving in mind, lounges instead of cockpits, touchless controls, and smart systems that learn your preferences. Sustainability is at the core, with recycled materials, solar skins, and electric powertrains, all made possible through AI's precision and creativity. From Mercedes' Vision EV-TR to BMW's iVision D, we're witnessing concept cars that feel like science fiction come to life. These designs don't just push boundaries, they erase them, fusing aesthetic innovation with environmental responsibility. Even production models are starting to reflect this shift, as AI helps brands optimize airflow, battery placement, and material usage down to the smallest detail. This is more than just style, it's function, intelligence, and emotion woven into every curve of the car. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the vehicles we drive, or perhaps, that drive us, ushering in a new era of smart, sustainable, and stunning transportation. Kenworth Super Truck 2. A futuristic freight machine built to rewrite the rules of trucking. This isn't just another semi-truck. It's the result of 6 years of innovation, backed by the US Department of Energy, and it's here to blow minds. With a jaw-dropping 136% boost in freight efficiency, it delivers up to 12.8 miles per gallon, far outpacing anything on the road today. Its aerodynamic, bullet train-inspired body features reverse blade chassis, smooth underbody panels, and enclosed wheels, slicing drag by 48%. Beneath that sleek skin roars a 440 horsepower PACCAR MX-11 engine, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, achieving an unheard of 55.7% engine efficiency. Inside, it's a whole new world for drivers. The cab is centered around a 15-inch digital cockpit, with controls right at your fingertips, and a reimagined sleeper cabin featuring a Murphy bed and rotating dining, work table. From comfort to performance, this truck was designed to reduce fatigue, improve safety, and transform life on the road. But most importantly, the Super Truck 2 is a bold leap toward cleaner, greener freight transport, proving that sustainability and power can go hand in hand. Kenworth's vision doesn't just look to the future, it drives straight into it, setting the gold standard for what modern trucking should be. Mojo Lens. Imagine wearing a contact lens that gives you real-time information, without ever looking down. That's exactly what the Mojo Lens does. It's the world's first smart contact lens, and it's not science fiction, it's real innovation. Right inside this scleral lens is a micro-LED display the size of a grain of sand, projecting critical data directly into your field of vision. It corrects your eyesight, connects to your devices, and keeps you updated without interrupting your flow. No more glancing at your phone. Your world just became smarter, more focused, and hands-free. This lens is packed with smart sensors, powered by tiny solid-state batteries, and designed to work seamlessly with your eye movements. It's perfect for athletes tracking their pace, professionals reviewing notes mid-presentation, or hikers navigating difficult terrain. Unlike bulky AR headsets or distracting glasses, Mojo Lens offers a subtle, silent overlay of digital content. No clutter, no distractions. You stay fully present in the moment, while still getting the data you need, directly, instantly, and invisibly. Whether you're training, presenting, or just living, Mojo Lens lets you do more without doing extra. Developed by Mojo Vision, this technology isn't about escaping reality, it's about enhancing it. Nissan Max Out. A head-turning electric convertible designed to redefine freedom on the road. Unveiled under Nissan's bold Ambition 2030 vision, this concept isn't just a car. It's a glimpse into a world of sustainable, stylish, and high-performance mobility. It's clean, it's clever, and it looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. With its ultra-low, aerodynamically sculpted body, the Max Out glides like a spaceship on wheels. The exterior is sharp and futuristic, with glowing light accents, a minimalist grille, and a sleek silhouette built for speed and efficiency. Every curve speaks of motion, every detail whispers innovation. Inside, it's all about comfort and control. The Max Out features Nissan's zero-gravity seats that feel like floating, paired with a cockpit wrapped in digital displays that respond to every move. It's not just driving, it's an experience tailored for the driver, blending tech with tranquility. Powered by Nissan's cutting-edge electric drivetrain, the Max Out promises an exhilarating ride with razor-sharp handling. It's light, agile, and perfectly balanced for both city streets and open highways. This is performance born from precision. If it hits production, the Max Out would likely fall between $50,000 and $70,000, worth every cent for a vehicle that delivers elegance, innovation, and zero emissions. Pragola Solid. Transform your outdoor space into a stylish retreat with the stunning Pragola Solid. Unlike traditional pergolas with open rafters, this modern structure features a fully solid roof, giving you all-day shelter from sun, rain, and unpredictable weather. Supported by sleek columns or pillars, it creates a cozy, shaded oasis that blends form and function effortlessly. You can place it in your garden, backyard, or patio. Attached to your home or freestanding, it adapts beautifully to any layout. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, setting up an outdoor lounge, or just sipping coffee in peace, it becomes the perfect extension of your indoor living area. The solid roof provides unmatched protection while still letting in natural light along the sides. This makes it ideal for year-round use, giving you a relaxing outdoor vibe without worrying about the elements. It can also act as a stylish corridor or private divider between two zones in your landscape. Crafted from high-quality materials like aluminum, wood, or composite panels, the Pragola Solid is built to last. It resists wear, enhances property value, and adds a sleek architectural statement to your space. Simple, elegant, and incredibly functional, the Pragola Solid is more than a shelter. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Bring comfort outdoors, and let nature meet luxury. The Polestar Synergy concept is a jaw-dropping electric supercar that looks like it drove straight out of the future, and maybe a Hot Wheels track too. This full-scale showpiece merges three winning designs from Polestar's latest design contest, celebrating creativity and cutting-edge automotive art. Standing just under 3.5 feet tall and stretching nearly 15 feet long, it cuts a sleek and aggressive silhouette that's impossible to ignore. Designed for both performance and drama, the Synergy features massive aero channels sculpted into the body to manage airflow and boost speed. The rear looks like something from a spaceship, with air channeled directly through and out the back. Instead of doors, you get a stunning glass canopy that flips forward, revealing a cockpit that's built for one, and only one, lucky driver. Inside, the driver sits low and centered, strapped in with Polestar's iconic gold seatbelts. Above the seat, a futuristic VR visor delivers extra driving data, complementing the minimalist gauge cluster. It's a cockpit that feels more like a flight deck. While it's a concept, Polestar hints that it could pack a dual-motor setup, potentially surpassing the 884 horsepower benchmark set by their own Polestar 6. It's a wild blend of fantasy and future. Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100, also known as the 103EX, a truly majestic creation born to celebrate 100 years of BMW Group excellence. It's more than a car. It's a rolling masterpiece, blending futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and the highest expression of bespoke luxury imaginable. Each model is tailor-made to its owner's taste, down to the last detail, ensuring that no two vehicles are ever the same. This is personalization taken to an entirely new level. The body is long, sleek, and effortlessly elegant, carved with fluid lines and curves that feel like they were sculpted by the wind itself. Fully electric and committed to sustainability, it's a symbol of the brand's forward-thinking approach, without compromising its timeless prestige. Inside, there's no steering wheel, the car drives itself. Instead, you're welcomed into a space that feels more like a private lounge. Handmade silk, wool carpets, and a glowing OLED screen create an atmosphere of total serenity and control. The built-in AI assistant, Eleanor, is your personal concierge, ready to plan routes or set the mood. The Vision Next 100 isn't about speed, it's about experience, elegance, and escape. Skytran. Imagine soaring above traffic in your own personal pod. That's the future Skytran is building. This revolutionary system uses magnetic levitation to glide lightweight, two-passenger pods along elevated tracks. Originally proposed by inventor Douglas Malowicki in 1990, Skytran is now being developed by Unimodel Inc. with support from NASA. These sleek pods are powered by electric currents that let them travel almost silently, with minimal friction and zero emissions. It's not just about speed, it's about redefining urban travel. Skytran's modular infrastructure makes it far cheaper and faster to build than traditional rail or metro systems. Its stations are small and efficient, perfect for cities where space is limited and congestion is a daily headache. By lifting public transportation into the air, Skytran aims to clear roads, cut pollution, and offer passengers a smoother, smarter ride. The first city to bring this futuristic vision to life is Tel Aviv, which is set to become the global pioneer in maglev public transit. This is Spin Launch, and it's rewriting the rules of how we reach the stars. Instead of relying on massive rockets loaded with tons of fuel, Spin Launch uses a mind-blowing kinetic launch system powered by electricity right here on the ground. Picture this. A massive centrifuge spins a rocket at insane speeds. We're talking 4,700 miles per hour, and then slingshots it into the sky. Once it reaches the upper atmosphere, only then do the rocket engines kick in. This two-stage method slashes both fuel consumption and emissions, making space launches cleaner and far more affordable. And this isn't science fiction. Spin Launch has already completed successful test flights, proving that this tech is real and working. By 2026, they plan to start launching small satellites into orbit, opening up low-cost access to space like never before. It's bold, it's futuristic, and it's built to last. Spin Launch is not just another rocket company, it's a movement towards sustainable space exploration. Lower costs mean more innovation, more research, and more opportunity for developing nations and private companies alike. This is a glimpse into a future where launching into orbit doesn't have to cost millions or burn mountains of fuel. This is the power of innovation. This is Spin Launch. The Toyota FV2 is a futuristic concept car that reimagines the driving experience. Unveiled at the 2017 Tokyo Motor Show, this small, pod-like electric vehicle is designed for intuitive and interactive driving. What makes the FV2 so unique is its standing-up driving position. Instead of a traditional steering wheel, the driver leans forward to accelerate, leans left or right to turn, and leans back to brake. It's like a thrilling blend of technology and human motion, making driving feel more immersive than ever. The FV2 is powered by an electric motor with a range of about 120 miles, making it efficient and eco-friendly. But its innovation doesn't stop there. It's equipped with a head-up display that projects essential driving information like speed, navigation, and traffic updates. To make the ride even more personal, the FV2 uses facial recognition to detect the driver's mood and adjust settings for a customized experience. Toyota's vision with the FV2 is to create a deep emotional connection between driver and vehicle. With its sleek design and next-level interactivity, the FV2 offers a glimpse into a future where driving becomes more than just transportation. It becomes a dynamic, emotional experience. Venturi Wheel, a revolutionary leap in lunar mobility. Developed by the Venturi Group and unveiled at the Paris Air Show in 2023, this isn't just a tire. It's space-age engineering at its finest. Built for the moon's unforgiving terrain, it bends, flexes, and adapts like nothing before it, all while staying incredibly strong and lightweight. With a massive 930 mm diameter, the Venturi Wheel features 192 internal cables that act like spokes, working together to absorb shocks from rugged lunar surfaces. Its outer tread is made from a newly invented flexible material that hugs the ground instead of bouncing off it. That means smoother rides, better control, and less wear, which is critical when you're 238,000 miles from the nearest repair shop. This advanced structure gives lunar rovers unprecedented agility, helping them explore craters, climb rocks, and survive harsh conditions without a hitch. Unlike traditional rigid wheels, the Venturi design adapts to the moon's irregular landscape, making scientific missions more efficient than ever. The first real-world deployment will be aboard Venturi's Astrolab rover, hitching a ride to the moon on SpaceX's Starship in 2026. This mission will mark a turning point in space travel, where cutting-edge technology meets deep space exploration. The Venturi Wheel isn't just a part of the rover, it's the reason future missions will go further, faster, and safer. This is what happens when design, science, and imagination collide. The future rolls on Venturi. Walmart Advanced Truck. Meet the Walmart Advanced Vehicle Experience, or WAVE, a futuristic hybrid truck that looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. Designed as a concept to revolutionize freight transportation, it blends bold innovation with Walmart's push for greener logistics. Its sleek shape cuts aerodynamic drag by 20%, which means it uses about 10% less fuel than traditional trucks. At the heart of the WAVE is a capstone turbine engine that's incredibly versatile. It can run on diesel, biofuels, or even liquefied natural gas. Paired with a 45.5 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, it also supports an all-electric driving mode, ideal for short, quiet, zero-emission urban routes. That's smart thinking for today, and even smarter for tomorrow. Now here's where it gets even cooler. The truck's body is made from carbon fiber, shaving off a massive 4,000 pounds compared to conventional builds. That's less weight, more efficiency, and a bold nod to aerospace-level engineering. It's a tractor-trailer, yes, but reimagined with design, sustainability, and performance in perfect balance. KXY2, a stunning leap into the future of autonomous mobility, brought to life by Japanese tech giant Asahi KXY2. Unveiled at CES 2023, this concept car isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision of what tomorrow's transportation should feel like. From the ground up, it's designed for sustainability, intelligence, and seamless interaction between humans and machines. What makes a KXY2 special is how deeply it's rooted in innovation. Every surface you see, touch, or sit on is crafted from advanced materials, many of which are recycled, recyclable, or entirely new creations by Asahi KXY2. From lightweight resins to water-based polycarbonate coatings, the entire cabin speaks of comfort, sustainability, and smart design. This isn't a flashy gimmick, it's a showcase of real, scalable technology that OEMs can start using now. Asahi KXY2, with over a century of materials expertise, brings everything to the table: raw materials, production tech, and full-cycle sustainability. The KXY2 is more than a prototype, it's a rolling portfolio of what's possible when cutting-edge science meets real-world application. Step inside and you'll find a serene, tech-infused environment built for autonomous driving. It's a living space on wheels, where form meets function with zero compromise. Whether it's the smart fabrics, sustainable plastics, or user-friendly interfaces, everything works in harmony. Australia Vertiports at Caribbean Park. Welcome to the future of flight, right here in Melbourne. At Caribbean Park, Australia just unveiled its very first air taxi vertiport, and it's about to change the way we move. This sleek, modular launch pad is designed by Contreras Earl Architecture, and it's as functional as it is futuristic. Made from fully recyclable aluminum, the vertiport is built for flexibility. Before air taxis take off, it can operate as a cafe or event space. But when the skies open up, it transforms into a powerful aviation hub, with 3 active landing pads and multiple charging bays ready for next-gen electric aircraft. Skyports, the company behind it all, has ambitious plans, identifying over 400 potential sites across Australia. With over $10 billion invested globally in air taxi development, the infrastructure is finally catching up to the dream. And here's the best part. A flight from these vertiports is expected to cost between £200 and £300, putting it on par with luxury car services. That means, in just a few years, skipping the traffic and flying above the city could be as easy as booking a ride on your phone. Boeing Recoverable Launch Booster. Back in the 1960s, Boeing dared to dream big with its Recoverable Launch Booster, a space-age concept years ahead of its time. Launch rockets into orbit, then fly the booster back to Earth like an airplane. A true blend of power and precision. This beast had a double-body design, rocket engines to break through Earth's grip, and turbojet engines to glide home. Instead of splashing into the ocean, the booster would land gently on a runway, ready for another mission. It was bold, efficient, and built to change the game forever. But as with many visionary ideas, this one never got its wings. Changing priorities and rising costs grounded the project before it ever left the drawing board. Still, the genius behind it didn't go to waste. It sparked ideas that would fuel today's era of reusable spaceflight. Think SpaceX, Blue Origin. Boeing's concept laid the mental groundwork for boosters that land, refuel, and relaunch. Even in cancellation, this project proved that innovation doesn't die, it evolves. The Citroen 1919 concept is a bold celebration of 100 years of innovation, a sleek, electric dream sculpted for the future. Its body glides like an aircraft, built to cut through air with near-zero resistance, wrapped in elegance and precision. Designed for pure comfort, the ultra-soft suspension makes you feel like you're floating, not driving. Every inch whispers modern luxury, from its 2 transparent bonnets to the glowing Y-shaped light signature that proudly frames the iconic chevrons. Step inside, and you enter a living room on wheels. It doesn't just drive, it understands you, with an intelligent personal assistant at your service. This isn't just futuristic talk. With level 4 autonomous driving, it can handle long journeys, letting you relax or even nap. The flat skateboard platform below carries the batteries and electronics, proudly stamped with the French flag, a rolling piece of national pride. And with an astounding 800 kilometers of range, the 1919 concept proves electric cars don't need to compromise on distance or performance. This isn't just a concept, it's Citroen's loud, proud vision of where mobility is headed. A blend of art, tech, and comfort, the 1919 concept shows what happens when tradition meets fearless imagination. No flashy gimmicks, just clean, clever, thoughtful design. It doesn't scream for attention, but you can't help but stare. Citroen 1919 isn't about the past, it's a love letter to the future, sealed with innovation. The Cryptide Sneaker is where myth meets modern tech. Inspired by cryptid legends like Bigfoot, these shoes leave mysterious footprints with every step. Designed by a German innovator, they're crafted using cutting-edge 3D printing technology for a futuristic look. Made from TPE polymer, the same material found in smartphone cases and toothbrush grips, they're both flexible and incredibly durable. Despite being only 1 millimeter thick, these sneakers withstand harsh weather, from blazing sun to pouring rain. The manufacturing process relies on the Sentry Tech S2 SLS printer, famously used by Daimler for creating automotive spare parts. Not only do they offer a bold style statement, but they also add a playful sense of mystery to your footprints. Whether you're turning heads on the street or exploring off the beaten path trails, the Cryptide Sneaker is sure to spark conversations. It's a perfect blend of fashion, technology, and folklore, making every step a legendary one. The EDG Citybot isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision for smarter, cleaner, and more efficient cities. Imagine a machine that doesn't just transport people but also cleans streets, maintains parks, and delivers goods, all while communicating with other robots in the city's smart network. This is the future of urban living, and it's here today. What makes the Citybot so revolutionary is its adaptability. Its modular design allows it to switch roles effortlessly, tackling everything from public transport to city maintenance with ease. Whether you're commuting to work, receiving a package, or enjoying a clean park, the Citybot is working behind the scenes to make it happen. But it's not just about functionality, it's about sustainability. The Citybot is designed to reduce traffic, cut emissions, and make cities more livable. And with digital micro-payment systems, it's not just a transportation solution, it's a new way of doing business. So, if you're ready to embrace the future of urban mobility, the EDG Citybot is here to lead the way. It's not just a robot, it's a smarter, greener, and more connected way of life. Blue Ring Pathfinder, Blue Origin's next giant leap. Not for landing on planets, but for building the future of space infrastructure. This isn't a rocket, it's a high-tech space platform, a cosmic workhorse designed to carry, launch, move, and maintain satellites across orbits. From low Earth orbit to deep space, the Pathfinder can go the distance using solar electric propulsion, clean, efficient, and long-lasting. Its modular design means it can be customized for everything from commercial payloads to scientific missions and national defense needs. And the best part? It's fully autonomous and capable of staying in orbit for years, offering non-stop support like a space mechanic on call. With the Blue Ring, Blue Origin is rewriting the playbook for operating in space, not just visiting it. This platform allows for satellite servicing, orbital repositioning, long-term infrastructure building, and maybe one day, support for lunar or Mars missions. Imagine fleets of these platforms acting as movers, repair stations, or even fuel depots in orbit, shaping a sustainable space economy. We're not just launching satellites anymore, we're building a permanent, flexible presence beyond Earth. The Blue Ring Pathfinder is more than a machine, it's the foundation for humanity's next chapter in space. The Axial Flux motor is quietly revolutionizing electric propulsion with its groundbreaking disc-shaped design that delivers astonishing power in an incredibly compact package. Unlike traditional radial motors, this innovative configuration aligns magnetic fields parallel to the axis, achieving power densities that leave conventional designs in the dust. We're talking 400+ kilowatts packed into motors weighing as little as 30 kilograms. This engineering marvel isn't just theoretical, it's already propelling automotive legends like the Ferrari SF90 and McLaren Artura, giving these supercars electrifying performance that matches their jaw-dropping looks. But the real game changer is how these motors are breaking free from the automotive world. Their perfect blend of lightweight construction and raw power is now taking to the skies, enabling a new generation of electric aircraft that promise to transform how we travel. With industry leaders like YASA, Evolito, and Magnix pushing the boundaries of what's possible, Axial Flux technology is proving to be the missing link in our electric future, offering unprecedented efficiency without compromising on performance. Whether it's shattering lap times or shrinking flight times, one thing's clear: the future of electric propulsion isn't just powerful, it's flat, compact, and rewriting the rules of mobility as we know it.